Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. I've got another haul video for you. So this is the Zara parcel that I mentioned on my last video, which I will link somewhere here, that I placed the order and it didn't come basically. So it just came in last week, so I thought I'll film it for you and show you the pieces that I've got. Just a few pieces, and also I placed an order. I ordered a few pieces from H&M and also ASOS. So I'm just going to talk you through the pieces and then try them on for you and style them for you. If you're new, my name is Amida. This channel is all about style and fashion and give you new style tips and how to look fabulous without breaking the bank. If this is the sort of content you're into and you just stumbled across my channel, thanks for tuning in, and I will appreciate your time if you stick around. And let's get right into the video. And also welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much, I appreciate you. So the very first look we're going to be slaying is this shirt and this skirt combo. Yes, I love it and I hope you do too. So this is men's. This is a men's shirt that I got from ASOS. So we're on ASOS now, and I just love the way it just looks so relaxed and like just so chilled. I like the color on the shirt because it's like giving you like pajama kind of vibe, and I'm just picturing myself on holiday right now. And yeah, it's just like a certain kind of material, but it's got like pleated detailing as well. I've got the skirt on, which is ruched. I love like ruching. It's so flattering. I just think it knows you can hide like any like lumps and bumps. So I got this. It wasn't intended actually. I didn't know how it was gonna go, so when it just came in, I just tried them on. So it's high waist and it's got like a string for you to pull it, so you can make it like shorter if you want. You can pull the ruching up, but it's already short on me, so I just like the way it is. I think wearing it with this shirt just makes it look effortless and like you're not trying too hard, because the skirt is again too short and I don't want it to be like shortened. So I just think it looks cool and I just like the way it falls over. If you want, you can tuck it in or you can tie it over like this, but for me I just feel like I'll be doing too much, you know, so I just like, yeah. So if that's your style, you can tie it like this, but no, I like it just one button and then just a bit like sexy but not overly sexy, you know what I mean, right? So I'm gonna pair it with my trusted black sandal. You know, the sandal from ASOS. It was on sale. I'll see if I can find it and I'll link it below. And I'm going for like the kind of 90s vibe. I've got this 90s snakeskin bag, and then I've got this glasses. This is from H&M. I love the way it looks, the tortoise kind of shell glasses. I think it looks so expensive. This was $19.99, and the bag again is all it was on sale. So I'll just pop the glasses on just so you can see. Yeah, so I think this is, to me, this is like a whole vibe. I just love the look. I think it looks really nice. This is giving me holiday vibe. This is just like Santorini chilling vibe. That's what it's giving me, and I love it. Like proper like 90s. You've not tried too hard, but you still look sexy and like, yeah, just like chic and like fun, but still not too trashy. So that's it for ASOS. We're now on H&M. I love this dress. 12. I really like this dress. Like, really like. Every time I wanted to buy it from H&M, it's sold out. It is a little bit, it's not a little bit, it's quite wide, to be honest with you. It's in a size medium. It keeps selling out every single time it's coming in. It's just easy to wear. You can just throw this on and like you can just go. So I really like it. It's from H&M and it was $39.99. I know it's a bit like pricey, but I think this is something that I would have in my wardrobe for a very, very long time, and I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that the small will come into stock because it will fit perfectly. But if you're looking for a white dress that you want to invest in, $39.99, I think this is a good buy. H&M has got a couple of other white flowy baby doll style dresses which I would link, but I just like it. It's got a cuff here and the sleeves kind of puffy at the top, and you can tie it on the neck, and yeah, the elastic runs all the way through. If you do that, it's very wide. But let me style it on for you now. Let me know what you think. So to style this, I'm gonna I got this belt, this chain belt from I keep saying ASOS, from H&M. It's just like this. So I'm gonna put it on because it's, again, it's quite wide. You can wear it like this if you want to. I've paired it with my heels. You can see the heels, my H&M wide square toe heels. But I think I'm going to add the belt just to kind of tie in the waist a bit. So I've popped on the belt, which I think it looks nice. It looks like it's got shape, and it proper looks dolly, and because it's gone a bit shorter, and I think my height, this is like the perfect length. And I've just cropped the sleeve up. You can see the belt, and yeah, I've just pulled it at the back there. So this is how it looks, and I think it's just like the perfect length. And with the heels, I think it looks so nice and like just so stylish, like effortlessly stylish. Again, you don't have to wear the belt. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And again, I will accessorize. I've got these sunnies from H&M, which I love as well. I'm just gonna accessorize. And then my Dior saddlebag dupe, I'll just hold this. It's got the strap on, and I think it's really nice like this. Paired it again with my flat dad sandals. I even think I like it more with the dad sandals because it looks a lot more relaxed and chilled. I'm not trying too hard. And with the belt, yeah, I think I like it more with the dad sandals. So I just wanted to show you, if you're thinking of getting it like wearing flats, how it would look. So this belt, the belt was $12.99, by the way. The dad sandal is old from ASOS, and yeah, I think I like it. Here's another outfit for you. We are now with Auntie Zara, and I love the top. I just love the neckline. The kind of is the asymmetric kind of V neckline, very sexy, and it's got like the one strap here. That's what drew me to it. So I'll just move down so you can see the neckline. I got it again. It's like a rib material, very soft, feels nice against the skin. I've not got a bra on with it, so yeah, just free in the nips, and I really like it. So it was paired with a skirt. It's a wrap skirt, and it's got a slit here. It's got like the vertical stripes going down. I like the color. I thought it was like a good combo, seeing it on the model. And then let me just see how it looks. But it's so big. I got this in a size small, and it's shocking how big it is, like on my waist. Like, I know I've lost weight, but this just runs quite big. So bear this in mind. If you're a small, you need an extra small, or maybe even an XXS. So this is a size small, and it's really big on my waist, which is very disappointing. Material feels quite nice. It's not like, I don't know what sort of material it is, but it flows very nicely. But again, it's not lined, but the style is very flattering. I think this is a very flattering style with the ruching. As you know, I love anything ruching. I think it just flatters the body, even if you don't have hips, or like it just kind of makes it like you're particular by your stomach area, like myself. I think it just like hides it. And yeah, I'm holding it at the back. Really flattering. I think they've got this style skirt in white, and they've got it in black as well. I think it's really nice, and yeah, I really like it. For skirt is definitely going back. The top, again, it runs a little bit big. It's not like tight, but I think it's a nice fit. So if I was to style this, well, so if I was to style it, this is what I would with my flats, my Zara flats, just like a more casual look. I think this is how I would have styled it if it fits. And you can see the body keeps like hanging on the side, so it's not like a good fit at all. But yeah, I'll style it like this. It's more like casual if I don't want to like travel. I think just cool, nice. For an evening look, I've added a necklace, and then I've added my black sandals, and this is how I'll style it, I think, for an evening look. This bag is from H&M. I featured it in one of my hauls. It's long, but I'm just going to hold it like a purse. I think it makes it. So yeah, so what I've done is I've actually just pinned it, so just to show you guys how it would look like if it was properly fitted. So I've kind of pinned it nicely, or not. And that's what it looks like at the back. But the top kind of, it keeps hanging, but I think it's a very nice outfit. It is quite nice. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, the skirt is $29.99 and the top is $19.99. It runs up to a size large, and the skirt runs up to from an extra small to an XXL. So yeah, and for reference, I'm about 5'7", size UK 8 to 10. Most of things that I wear, but these are all in a small. So all of these outfits except for the
extra small would do it for me.
Here is the second outfit from Zara. This bodysuit. It's really nice. Again, it's similar to, the material is similar to the top that I was just wearing. It's square neckline, and that's the strap. The straps are quite thick, and I think this runs from a size small to a size large. So I've got it in a size small. I've got no bra on, that's what it looks like, and you can actually wear this as a swimsuit. Like, I've tried it. Yeah, it can be worn as a swimsuit. The only downside is, like, when you're putting it on, it doesn't have any clasp, you know, like the little clasp at the bottom to open and close. So it's a bit like kind of tricky, but I think it's really nice. So, and I got it in a size small. It was $12.99. I think it's really affordable, and I like it. I really like it, and it proper like cinching like your waist. I've got it on with my leather skirt. This skirt again is from Zara. I've had it for like years and years. It's like a leather with like the wrap detailing, and then it's got a button, and I just think it looks, yeah, it looks really nice. So this is just like a cute outfit that you can just wear with your flats. But I'm going to dress it up for you and then show you how I will style this. So to style this, just to kind of make it a bit more dressy, I've got my black Zara pointy tie shoes. I got it again, I think last year. It was $29.99, and I think they have similar pairs in stock. I think it's just nice. The pointiness just makes it look kind of like more dressy, and we'll pair it with my tweed Zara jacket again that I got last year. So this is like a full Zara combo. So just wanted to show you how you can just make a simple, a basic outfit look so stylish and like so expensive. So yeah, so I think this is it. So just the base and with the jacket and the shoes, and I think it looks really expensive. This jacket again, I think it's sold out, but you can close it if you want to. Or what do you think? It's just a simple body that I've just styled with the black skirt, and yeah. And I'll just like pair it with like a black bag, or like a maybe like a gold clutch, just to add like a little bit of, well, I like it. I just think it looks really nice and really expensive. It have to be a tweed jacket, but like a good blazer again just fit. This blazer was a size small, and I love it. Very Parisian chic. Here is the final outfit we've got from Zara, and the final outfit in this haul is a two-piece set. You know, I love my two-piece, and especially if they're affordable. Yes, I'm down, because you can wear them multiple ways. You can wear them separately, you can wear them together. So let's get into the outfit. This is like a pleated kind of material. It's a bit stretchy, kind of like a stretchy fabric. So it's got like a slit here, so it's like a dress top, and it's just like got the straps and the kind of lining here, and I've got no bra on, and yeah, so got it on with the pants. So this is the pants. It's high waist, that's what it looks like. But I like, again, when I'm wearing like wide leg pants, it's got like slits on the side as well. I think it's quite nice. It's just like a piece that you can dress up, like you can just dress down like on a casual day, and it just, I don't know, I liked it like when I saw it, and I thought that this is something that I could wear just casual and like just flowy and just easy breezy, something that you can just put on when, especially on those days when you feel like, oh, I don't know what to wear, I can just put this on. And I got it in this color. I think it comes in like a lilac, and I think it comes in 3 colors. This color, a lilac color, and then another color, 2 colors. I'm not sure, but I'll be sure to link all the items in this haul down below for you. So the top runs up to large. I got it in a size small, and the pants again I got in a size small. It runs up to a large, and yeah, I think it's true to size. The pant fits well, the top fits well as well. Just a nice outfit, summery outfit. For a more casual vibe, I would wear the bag like this, just cross it. I think it just gives it that casual style, and yeah, it's nice. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I think it's cute. I like it. Let me know what you think. For a more like dressed up evening vibe, I've added my belt, the H&M belt, and I've just tied it here so it just drops like this. So that's what it looks like, and I think it just kind of cinches your waist in the middle and makes it look a bit more dressy. And then I've paired it with my trusted ASOS sandal, and then I will just use my bag as a clutch, and yeah, I think you're good to go. I've not worn anything on my neck because I've got like the gold belt, so I just wanted this to be like the focus, and yeah, I think it looks nice. What do you think? It just kind of gives you shape to the outfit instead of just making it like dead plain. And yeah, that's how I wear it if I want to keep it and wearing it at night. I think it's quite nice. So guys, that's it. We are done. The whole video is done. Zara, H&M ASOS. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I love making this haul videos for you, and I would just love for you guys to comment down below and let me know what sort of content, how you're feeling about the content that I'm making, and how I can improve and just give you better content. And also, if you've stuck around this long, please click on that subscribe button down below. Support your girl. I'm trying to grow my channel and get to 1,000 subscribers, nearly there. So with just this click, it might just get me there. So yeah, go on, click it now please. Thank you. And also, if you click on the notification bell, it will tell you when I post videos. And also the like button, the YouTube algorithm loves it. It kind of pushes my content to a wider audience, so I appreciate it if you just do that for me please. Thank you very much. And yeah, so I will see you again on the next one. I post videos twice a week, which is on Thursdays and on Sundays for you guys. I'm trying to keep on top of it and just be giving you the goods. Yeah, so I see you guys like Zara, so I'll try my best to be bringing you all the Zara pieces, but again considering the affordability. And yeah, let me stop babbling. I don't want to let you go, but I gotta go. So I shall see you again on the next one. Take care of yourself, and bye. Mwah.